Yo, what's up guys? Juzo96 here. So today we're checking out Punch and I'll show you the main features you should know about. So from free to predict, the referral system, season leaderboard, one-click deposit, match prediction, and of course, how you can claim your one rewards. So if you're new to Punch or you're still confused about how everything works, this video is for you. So let's get started mga tol. Let's go! So first, we have free to predict. So this is one of the easiest way to start using Punch because you can participate in selected predictions without needing to deposit first. So simply check the available matches, select the prediction you think will happen, and submit your pick. So this is perfect for beginners because you can familiarize yourself with how Punch works while participating in available free prediction opportunities. But remember guys, always check the rules, prediction period, and reward conditions before submitting your picks. So dito mga brokies, kung makikita nyo guys, yan, how F2P works. So free to predict, win up to 3,001 token. No? So dito guys, you can earn points, predict, and win rewards. So click nyo lang yan guys, yung start earnings. Yan, so enter season mga tol. So season 3 na mga brokies, no? Kung makikita nyo, season 3 is live. So 5 days remaining mga brokies, 5 days and 20 hours. Uy, medyo mataas yung price pool ngayon guys, no? So 300 USD ang price pool ngayon mga brokies. So enter season tayo mga brokies. Entering season, and then yan, kailangan nyo lang i-connect yung inyong wallet dyan mga brokies. Then yun. So check natin mga tol, claimable points. So claim natin yan. And then there you have it mga brokies, na-receive na natin yung points, no, for season 3 mga brokies. So next is the main match prediction feature. So here you'll see different available matches and prediction option, no. So paano nyo yan makita mga tol, i-click nyo lang to guys, itong event. Yan, so automatically guys papupunta kayo dito sa my events, no. So dito guys, dito nyo makikita yung points. So meron dalawang option yan mga tol. Pwede kayong maggamit ng USD or yung mismong point system na binibigay sa atin ni Punch para sa free to play prediction, no. So ayan siya mga brokies. So dito mga tol, meron kayong mga choices dito. So meron diyang crypto. Yan, ito yung mga crypto niyan guys. So pwede kayo dito mag-predict ng BTC up or down 1 minute, BTC up or down 3 minutes to 5 minutes, and then merong hours din dyan mga brokies, no. So depende. And then meron din diyang stocks, yan, stock market. And then meron din diyang sports market, no. So dito guys, merong League of Legends mga tol, esports matches, and then meron ding soccer matches dyan mga tol, no. So far ito yan siya mga brokies. Then susubukan natin mag-predict dito guys. So punta tayo dito guys. Maglagay tayo ng points mga brokies. So down tayo mga tol. Going down pa rin tayo mga brokies. 3 points tayo guys. Going down ang market na pinili ko mga tol. Kaso pataas siya mga brokies ha. Going pump, ay galing siya dito sa baba. Magpa-pump to, babalikan niya siguro yung taas mga tol. Yan. So plus 45% mga brokies. Going down. Yan. Yan kung makikita nyo mga tol. Yan. So umangat yung market mga brokies. 3, 2, 1. So settling mga tol. Yan. So we lose. So going down yan mga tol. Yan. So we lose on that round mga tol, no. So we lose 2 points mga brokies. And then paano naman tayo guys mag-deposit dito, no? So ito, pag-usapan natin guys. So Punch also has a one-click deposit feature mga tol. So designed to make participation faster. So instead of going through multiple complicated steps, you can connect your supported wallet, select your available balance, and deposit directly through the platform. So always double check the amount and transaction details before confirming anything with your wallet. So dito lang yan mga brokies, click nyo lang itong deposit dito sa taas, and then pwede kayong mamili dito guys through transfer crypto. Yan, so pwede dyan USDT, yan, and USDC. And then ito yung mga supported na kanyang tawag doon network, no. So merong Base, Solana, Ethereum, Arbitrum, Polygon, BNB, Smart Chain, no. So yan. And then i-scan nyo lang yan, and then pwede na kayo makapag-deposit ng inyong USDT dito, no, sa kanilang platform. And then meron din dyan guys diretso na sa 1 packet. Yan. So kung meron kayong 1 USD, pwede na nyo na yung ilagay. And then kung meron din kayong USDT, BSC network, yan, pwede nyo din dyan idiretso ilagay sa inyong wallet. So sa atin guys, meron na tayong USDT dito. Yan, we have 7.8 USDT na, no? So nakapag-deposit na kasi tayo dito. So next, we have the referral system mga brokies, no? So if you have friends who are interested in Punch, you can share your personal referral link or referral code with them. So depending on the activity referral campaign, you may receive additional benefits or rewards when qualified users join and complete the required activities. So yan siya mga brokies, no? So bago kayo makapag-join dito guys, no, sa referral system nila, kailangan nyo guys may at least accumulated kayo na 10 USD sa tawag doon sa trading platform nila, no. So once na meron na kayong 10 USD na na-accumulate dito sa Punch, pwede na kayong gumawa ng inyong referral link, no. So as of now guys, I have one referee. Yan mga tol, level 1 pa lang yan siya. So wala pa siyang nakukuhang rewards or na tawag doon nagagawa dito, no. So kung gusto nyo guys na subukan to, itong Punch, pwede nyo i-click tong referral code ko dyan sa description, and then meron kayong makukuhang percentage, no? So now, this is where things become more competitive mga brokies, the season leaderboard. So during an active season, eligible activities can contribute toward your leaderboard position. So the better your performance throughout the season, the higher you climb, no? So if you're aiming for one of the top rankings, consistency is important. Don't just participate once and forget about it. Check the available matches regularly, participate strategically, and monitor your current ranking. So ito mga brokies, no? So as of now guys, ang ating ranking is nasa pang 226 ako, no? So medyo malayo mga brokies, no? So itong top 10 mga brokies, ito yung mga rewards na pwede nilang makuha, no? So meron silang makukuha 21 USD, and itong top 1, top 2 guys 21.50 USD, and so on and so forth. So lahat sila guys, no, yung buong top 10 pare medyo mataas ang kanilang makukuhang rewards, no. So paano ba dito magpa-ranking mga brokies, no? Ayan, kung makikita nyo naman yung price pool dyan is 300 USD, no. So weekly yan nagre-reset, no. So paano magpa-ranking dyan mga brokies? So napakasimple lang, ito siya mga brokies. Yan, so kailangan nyo lang guys gather ng points, no. Kailangan yung gawin lahat to mga brokies, itong starter, first event, market trade, yan. And then as much as possible, kailangan nyo mag-earn ng mga points, no. So libre lang naman yan mga brokies, free to play nga, no. So free to predict, wala kayong dapat bayaran dyan mga brokies, no. So ayan siya, weekly events kailangan yung gawin. So merong 15 na events na kailangan yung gawin. So mag-trade kayo guys sa 5 events, and then trade 15 sa ng events, no. So para makuha nyo yan siya, plus 5 points, 10 points, 15 points, no. So yan. And then dito naman guys, itong starter, first event, market trade mga tol, no. So nakapag-trade na tayo sa isang category, then magti-trade pa tayo ng dalawang category. So yung category na yan guys, dito nyo yan makikita. Yan. So ito yung mga category dyan guys. So stock, sports, and crypto, no. So dito ka tayo sa stocks. Trade tayo dito guys. Feeling ko mag-up ang, what do you think guys? Mag-up ang gold sa loob ng isang oras. Trade tayo dito mga tol. Alagay tayo ng points dito mga brokies. Okay, mag-up to ng sa loob ng isang oras. So gold will up in 1 hour, and then punta naman tayo sa sports. So sabi nila malakas daw to guys, itong Genji, no. Yan. So dito naman tayo sa sports. So Genji mga brokies will win this match. So to win mga tol, yan. Yan. So yan. Nakapag-trade na tayo sa tatlong category. So punta tayo guys sa F2P, and then let's receive our points, no. So ayan, claimable points. So claim na natin yan. And then yun, plus 5 points claim mga brokies. So ganun lang kasimple yan mga brokies, diba? Napakadali. So meron na tayong 21 points na na-receive. So ganun lang mga brokies, kailangan nyo lang tapusin lahat ng mga events, and then pwede na kayo mag-earn ng points and tumaas ang inyong ranking dito sa Punch, no. So libre lang yan mga brokies, wala kayo dapat bayada, no. So yung referral link ko guys, ilalagay ko sa description, and then click nyo lang yun guys para makakuha pa kayo ng mga bonus points, no. So disclaimer na lang din mga brokies, Punch prediction involve risk and rewards are not guaranteed. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not financial advice, no. So always do your own research, review the official rules, and never use funds you cannot afford to lose. And that's basically how Punch works. So you have free to predict, match prediction, one-click deposit, and referral rewards, the competitive season leaderboard, and the ability to claim 1 rewards. So if you're a beginner, I recommend starting with the free to predict feature first, learn how the system works, and then explore the other features. So if this guide helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because I'll be uploading more punch guides, updates, and earning opportunities. So this is Juzu96 and I'll see you guys in the next one.